When it comes to this, I cannot say how exactly I can tell you this, because for us all we depend is that how much is the sale of this liquor, then only the increase of revenue will be there. We are here, we don't encourage people to drink, but it's just that when there's a sale of any product from the art department, so the revenue generation is there. But if there is any leakage, now we are trying to find out whether there's any leakage of not of the revenue of the state, so that that leakage should be stopped. So we are planning for that too. It's still a profit making department, because as of now we have generated a huge amount of revenue to the state. We have contributed. So as of now we are not in loss. So still a profit making. Here actually we do follow the norms, because this has been allowed by the central ministry too, but there's nothing that we didn't follow the norms. Before we give anything, especially the license to the licensee, we have to have all those documents. So for that, number one, the main important is that the NOC from the Rombachnong. So if we don't have that, then nothing happens. So for this, if any village they don't want any liquor shop to come out in their society or in their village, then they need not give any NOC. But if they give, then that is the first steps of to apply the license.